How to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. So if you want to fix the problem of add phone number option, then what you need to do is first you can open up your Roblox application. Once you open up your Roblox, now if you go with the more option which is on the bottom right and go with settings, go with the account info. Under the account info, here as you can see that it says add phone or add phone number in my case because I'm above the age of 18. Like if you verified your age and if your age is below 16 or below 13, then you won't have an option to add a phone number. So make sure that you have verified your age and that your age is above the 18 or above 16 so that you will have add phone number option. So that's the reason you're not getting add phone number option. So to get the add phone number option, you just need simply go and verify your age and make sure that your age is above the 18 years. So you can tap on verify my age and upload some documents, your ID. You need to go with the ID verification and you can start the session. And once you're verified, then you will have the phone number option. Or you can also try to update your application because if you have any updates, then you might fix that problem. So you need to go with search, and under search you can search for Roblox, and once you search for Roblox, if you have any updates instead of the play option, then you can just simply go with updates and update your application. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.